Hi, it's Loco.
And I'm Max. Welcome back to Learn with Loco. Loco, did you know that if you go out for dinner tonight, you might accidentally break the bank?
Break the bank? Max, I promise I won't go around smashing piggy banks at the restaurant.
I think the waiters would be very unhappy if you did that.
Right, I know it's an idiom, but honestly, some of these money expressions are so confusing for learners.
That's exactly why we're here. Today, we're diving into 10 common money idioms that will make you sound like a native speaker.
Let's start with that one you used. What does break the bank actually mean?
It just means something is too expensive or costs more money than you can afford.
Like, I want to buy a new car, but I don't want to break the bank.
Exactly. And on the opposite side, if you're being very careful with your money, you are tightening your belt.
That sounds uncomfortable, but it's a great way to describe living on a smaller budget.
It's better than burning a hole in your pocket, which is what happens when you spend money as soon as you get it.
Oh, I definitely know people like that. They have money one day and are broke the next. What if you are saving up for something special? Is there an idiom for that?
You could say you are putting money aside for a rainy day.
I love that one. It's like preparing for a future problem when things might be tough.
Exactly. It's all about being prepared.
And what about when something is incredibly cheap? My friend told me she bought a dress for peanuts.
Did she actually pay with snack food? No. And she got a bargain.
Costing peanuts is a funny way to say something was very inexpensive.
Another one is dirt cheap. You could say the tickets were dirt cheap, so we bought four.
Max, what if you have absolutely no money left at all?
Well, you could say you were flat broke.
That sounds very final. Like, you check your wallet and it's just empty.
If you want a more colorful way to say it, you could say you're strapped for cash.
And what's the opposite? What if someone has tons of money?
We say they are loaded, or that they have money to burn.
Money to burn sounds like they're literally setting bills on fire, which is a bit scary.
It's just an expression for someone with so much money, they don't even worry about spending it.
So, we've covered a lot today. Let's do a quick check-in.
If I say, I can't afford this laptop, it costs an arm and a leg. What does that mean?
That means it's way too expensive, so you'd better start tightening your belt to save up for it.
Perfect, you've got it.
And remember, don't be flat broke. Keep putting money away for a rainy day.
Great advice. We hope these idioms help you talk about your finances with confidence.
See you in the next episode, and don't forget to keep practicing. That's it for today's lesson.
Subscribe for more English lessons, and we'll see you in the next one.